All right, let's jump right in. We hear about AI constantly, but there's a new wave on the horizon that's about to completely change how businesses connect with us. It's called Agentic AI, and honestly, it's not just another tool. It's like being able to hire an entire super smart marketing team that literally never sleeps. But I want you to just think about this for a second. What if your marketing could just run itself? And I don't mean just scheduling a few posts. I mean understanding your customers on a deep level, making big strategic calls, and tweaking campaigns in the blink of an eye, all on its own. That's the wild promise we're going to unpack today. So here's the game plan. First up, we're going to nail down what Agentic AI even is. Then we'll dive into the three huge roles it's playing in marketing: as a personal shopper, a smart strategist, and a 24/7 concierge. And to wrap it all up, we'll take a peek into the future and see where all this is headed. Okay, first things first, let's get to the bottom of this. What exactly is this new flavor of AI that's got everybody talking? You see, at its heart, Agentic AI isn't about just following a list of commands. These are systems that can actually reason, plan, and act on their own to get something done. They can look at a really complex situation, weigh the options, and decide the best way forward, a lot like a person would. And when you apply that to marketing, the implications are just massive. It means you can basically give every single customer their own personal marketing genius. Just imagine being able to understand each person's unique wants and needs and crafting the perfect message just for them, instantly. That's the incredible scale we're talking about here. So with that power in mind, let's check out its first major role: acting as a super personal shopper for literally every single individual. This is so much more than just lumping people into broad categories like millennials and cities. Agentic AI looks at what you actually do, the articles you read, the videos you watch, the stuff you buy, and it uses all that to predict what you'll want next. It's about delivering a true one-to-one experience. And here's the really cool part. You've already experienced this. You know when Netflix suggests a new series and you're instantly hooked? That's AI predicting your taste to keep you watching. Or when Spotify drops that Discover Weekly playlist that's just full of bangers, that's AI building your loyalty. And of course, when Amazon shows you something you didn't even know you needed but suddenly can't live without, yep, that's AI too. Okay, so personalization is powerful, for sure. But this next role is where Agentic AI becomes a true game changer, acting as a smart strategist that's optimizing everything on the fly. Think about it. A human marketer might be able to check a report once a day, but this AI can sift through millions of data points every single second. It spots trends we'd miss, it predicts what's going to work, and it makes these lightning-fast decisions about where to put marketing money for the best results. It's a level of speed and accuracy that's just, well, it's beyond us. I mean, the difference is truly night and day. The old way, you launch something, you wait around for the data to trickle in, you try to figure out what it means, and then you slowly make some changes. With Agentic AI, that whole cycle of analyzing and adjusting happens instantly and continuously, right from the get-go. It's just so much more efficient. And this strategic brain is already working all around us. When the Starbucks app sends you a buy one get one offer for your favorite drink, that's AI looking at your order history. When the price of a flight changes from one day to the next, that's AI doing dynamic pricing. Even Walmart uses it to predict what you're going to buy next week to make sure the shelves are never empty. Okay, so that brings us to the final piece of this puzzle: how Agentic AI is totally reinventing customer service, becoming this intelligent, always available concierge for everyone. And let's be clear, this isn't about those clunky old chatbots that could barely understand a simple question. We're talking about AI that gets the context of a conversation, understands your mood, and provides genuinely useful, human-like help 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Whether it's H&M's chatbot helping you track down your order, Sephora's AI assistant giving you personalized beauty tips, or Bank of America's system handling a complex banking question at 3 in the morning, these systems are already making customer support way more seamless and effective. And this quote really hits the nail on the head. The whole point here isn't just about replacing people or saving a buck. It's about using this technology to make the conversations between you and a brand feel more natural, more helpful, and just better. So, we've seen the three big roles it's playing right now. Now let's put all those pieces together and look down the road at where this is all going. You can think of it like a journey in 3 steps. It all starts with gathering tons and tons of data. Then, the AI uses that data for some seriously powerful predictive analysis. And the final step, the one we're getting really close to, is autonomous execution. That's where the AI doesn't just suggest what to do, it goes ahead and does it. And the implication of that is just profound. We're really heading towards a future where AI stops being an assistant and starts being the one in charge. It'll be the strategist, the creative, and the campaign manager, all rolled into one incredible autonomous system. And that leaves us with one last huge question to chew on. In a world where AI can build and run an entire marketing strategy all by itself from start to finish, what is the human marketer's new role? What do we do then? That's something we're all going to have to figure out, and probably a lot sooner than we think.
You don't need to navigate this alone. Visit Content Master to use our AI agents do it for you at a fraction of cost.